Aloha YouTubers! It's me, Kinghuman. And in this video, I'm going to actually give you a free software suite that's going to make you money. This is going to be 100% free. No bull, no strings. You won't be asked for a credit card. You won't be asked to join an email list. This is pure gold, so pay attention. Also, watch the entire video because at the end, I'm going to give you access to my members-only online income website, totally free. Really valuable stuff. Okay, so let's get cracking. All right. Let's get into this. Look, this is what I'm going to hand you guys for free. This is going to be a complete package for you. It's not going to cost you a penny, and it could potentially make you guys some dough. So here's what's going on. Let me explain everything. I'm going to send you to this page. This page is a page that you are going to own yourself. I'll get into that in a bit. But what this is this is a free sales and affiliate platform software that you're going to get. And when I say free, I mean 100% free. And no credit card is ever needed. No fees ever. You're going to be grandfathered in for life. It's just free. And you're not going to get a watered down version of the software. You're going to get the full unlocked version. So pretty cool, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to click the link below. You're going to come to this page and you're going to scroll down. See right here, this form. And you're going to enter your name and an email address and a username. Now, we're not connecting, or they're not collecting your email address to put you on a mailing list. This is to send you access to the actual software platform. And then you pick a username, click that, and you've got it. You've got your software free for life, and you've got no upsells, no nothing, right? This is great. Now, this particular software, I'm not even going to get into what it is. Grab it, even if you don't think you need it now, because later you probably will. So, and because it's free, there's no downside to not grabbing this, right? I'm not trying to sell you on grabbing something for free. I'm just giving you my best advice. So later on, this is going to be $99 a month. So why are they giving away for free for now? It's a marketing beta test. So if you want to see what the actual software does, this is it. You can come down here and see it. I'm not going to get into it, but basically it's a way to collect money online. It's pretty damn cool if you ask me. But let me show you what else that is going on behind the scenes that you're not going to see. So if I try to exit the page, a pop-up comes up and it says, wait, you also get GroovePages. Now, GroovePages is a funnel builder, right? It's this whole thing is like a ClickFunnels killer, and you're getting it for free. Now, this thing, the GroovePages, I believe that is a lighter version, but no big deal, right? You're getting GrooveSell for free, and the amount of things you're going to be able to do with GroovePages, the free version, is pretty damn good. So anyway, I want to get into how you can make money with this. So once you grab your free software, you're going to come here. This is going to be your dashboard. And there are a lot of other products in here. Don't worry about that. You don't have those. You've got GroovePages and you've got GrooveSell, right? But this is where it gets interesting. Come up here and click on Partner Program, and then you're going to see this page. Now, why is this important? Because you can earn up to 40% recurring and residual income for life with this affiliate program. And I'm not going to get into it too deep because you're going to come here and you're going to play this video And Mike here is going to explain everything. But let me show you how easy this is and how easy it can be for you. So you come in here, and as you can see, there's a bunch of things going on here. I'll explain all of those in a minute. But what happens is when you grab your free software, you are immediately approved to be an affiliate, which can potentially make you a ton of money. And it can be copy and paste easy. You come in here where it says links, right? Let me go back and show you again. Links. And then all I need to do is click on that. And now this link, which is my affiliate link, is something that I can share in social media in a million different ways and potentially make good recurring income. But it doesn't just stop there. So if I go back here, you'll see that they have pre-written emails for you that you can send out. And if I scroll down here, you'll see the actual email, and it is hard-coded with your affiliate link, right? So all you need to do is, if you want to promote this via email, just grab this done for you email, and boom goes dynamite, right? If you have an email list, you can send it to your list. If not, you can build a list, or you can just send it to people you know, right? Blog reviews. These are done for you blog reviews. Again, you can post these on blogs. And again, this is hard-coded with your affiliate link. So when somebody clicks on the link, let me go back and show you. See, like right here, see how that's highlighted? When somebody clicks on that link, they're going to be taken to this page. Remember, I told you you were going to own this page? You own this. This is done for you. You don't have to make a bridge page. You don't have to do any of the complicated things that affiliate marketers usually have to do. So you could post this on blogs, and boom goes the dynamite. See what's going on here? They are giving you a done-for-you formula on how you could potentially make money. Here's articles. I don't know. No, the articles aren't done yet. They'll be done in like a couple of days. Banners. Here are done-for-you banners that you can place on either your website or other websites where you can buy advertising cheap. That's if you want to go the paid route, right? Mostly, I'm talking to you guys about how to promote this for free. Thank you page ads, same kind of thing, done for you. So if somebody buys a product from you, you could put this on your thank you page. Again, it's hard-coded to your affiliate link. Log out, page, ad, same kind of thing. Social media, here's social media posts that you can post. Again, hard-coded to you. Video reviews, this is pretty cool. This is a video that has been done for you, and and below this, right here, here's the video, right? And below it is the video description that you can post. I might post this exact thing, I don't know. But let's take a look at the actual video. I'm going to open it in a new window, and we'll take a look and see. Because again, you guys own this video. They're letting you use it.
Hi, my name is Simon Leung, and today, well, it's your lucky day because I have not one, but two of the world's most powerful platforms that you can access right now for free. These two apps are the absolute best of the best in the entire industry right now, and if you don't use them for your business, you are losing out and will quickly fall behind. But when you do use them, you will be way ahead of everyone else, even your biggest competitors. Let me show you what I mean. Firstly, you can get your free account for both right here on this website, and you'll be able to find the link right below this video. Okay, so what exactly will you get? Well, the first product is called GrooveSell. It is, by far, the single most powerful sales and affiliate platform. If you sell digital or physical products of any kind, you know how big of a hassle it can be to set up your payment options, sales funnels, checkout pages, and everything in between. Well, not anymore. With GrooveSell, you get everything that you need to sell whatever you want online. Not only is it super competitive in features, the whole thing is yours for free with no monthly fees and
Okay, I'm not going to bore you with the whole thing, but it's pretty cool that they're giving you that asset, right? So you've got a lot of ways to promote this. Here's Facebook ads. Again, you could just post these in Facebook. You don't have to do a paid ad. You can just post it in your timeline, whatever. And then signatures. Anyway, this is so cool because it's got zero downside potential and it has a lot of upside potential, which is why I'm turning you guys on to this. And I think this could help some of you guys that are affected with the corona thing. A lot of you guys lost your job. You know, wouldn't it be cool to get some good recurring income that comes in without you having to do any work? Now, if you don't know me, I make a lot of money online by doing exactly this kind of thing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's called affiliate marketing. I made over $1 million. And when I say I made over $1 million doing this, that's profit. A lot of guys, you'll go and you'll look at their sales page and whatever, and they'll give you some real big numbers on how much money they, hey, I sold over, $5 million. I made over $5 million in sales, but they don't tell you what their profit is. And that's the big difference, because anybody can make over $5-10 million in sales if you spend $20 million in advertising. These idiots are trying to, okay, I'm going into a digression here. I get a little upset when people get misled and when they get lied to. So anyway, this is as upfront as I can be, right? You're going to get this for free. You're not going to risk anything. You can potentially make some good recurring income. You can promote it for free. Okay, that's it. I don't know what else I can tell you, right? So there it is, guys. I'll put a link to this right below this video. Click the link. Go for it. Do it. Don't do it. It's your life. I'm not trying to sell you a thing. Cheers.